So hey everyone, this is Young256. With me everything is possible. Today I'm going to give you the cheapest SMM panel if you want to grow your internet, your socials. Disclaimer, this video is just for study purpose, so YouTube, don't take down this video. It's for help and learning. Anyway, without wasting time, I put the link in the description, but then let me show you how. Let me show you some of their prices. This is www.DonXtraBoost.com. then we search, enter. Then you're going to log in, create an account by pressing get started. Okay, get started. That's you created. You will create. It will take you to the creating an account, but I already have an account, so let me just log in. So this is my account. Let me show you some of the prices. New order. You're going to come here, dashboard. First of all, you come here, add funds. You can use PayPal and then add funds. Then after adding your funds, they will appear here. So you're going to come new order. Let me show you some of their prices. Order, then new order. Let's check. For example, I don't want to try this. These people will block me. Let's try on another platform. Let's try like Instagram followers, Instagram views, services. Let's instant. You see the prices. It is in 0 point. Let me show you another service. Which other service can we choose? Let's go and like TikTok shares. Okay, TikTok shares instant 3 with the from 1k. So that prices are really good. So you can create your account. The link is in the description. www.DonXtraBoost.com. These are some of their services. Let me press on their services. YouTube Shorts. This will help us, I think. So you see, views, there are views, they have plenty. You just have to come here, create an account, add funds. When you add funds, then your funds will appear. Wow, it's nice. Thank you so much. With that, I sign out. Okay, bye bye.